一直的往前走，疯狂的世界，迎着痛，把眼中所有梦都交给时间。嘿，想飞就用心的去飞，谁不经历狼狈。
This is Annie, a highly advanced humanoid robot developed by the Chinese startup AnyWit Robotics, and she just effortlessly stole the spotlight at the 2026 World Robot Conference. Almost as soon as the camera settles on her around the exhibition booth, she begins producing clear, beautiful vocal sounds. That precise mouth-to-voice alignment is genuinely one of the strongest points of her design. The facial system has 34 degrees of freedom, so the actuators can form each sound exactly the way a human singer does, completely without the usual lag or stiffness that many robots still show. The result is a soft, expressive voice that beautifully carries emotion, while the mouth stays perfectly timed to the words. AnyWit Robotics did not actually build this entire machine from the ground up. The compact body you see Annie using to walk and gesture is actually a standard commercial Unitree G1 humanoid robot. By cleverly mounting their custom bionic head onto a mass-produced body, they effectively bypass years of complex mechanical engineering. For now, AnyWit has not published a fixed public price, but 2026 is the exact year they have boldly stated this technology moves from simple showcase demos into real scaled commercial deployment.